Okay, so this is a good probability problem. It says you have 7 coins in a box, 1 quarter, 2 dimes, 3 nickels, and 1 penny. If you draw randomly out 3 coins, what is the probability the total value of your selection is less than 25? Well, whenever you're doing probability, it's always a good place to start to try to find the total number of options. And so in this case, since you're drawing 3 coins out of 7, then you can use the combination theory, 7 choose 3, which is 7 times 6 times 5 over 3 times 2 times 1, which just becomes 35. And so there are 35 ways that we can draw out these 3 coins. So there's 2 ways to go about this. You can go about it in a straightforward way, or what I think is easier, you can go about it using complementary counting. And it's easier because if you want less than 25, then we want to get rid of all the things that are more than 25. Well, every combination that includes a quarter is more than 25 cents. So the question then becomes, how many ways can I draw out a quarter? And so there are 6 coins left after you draw out 1 quarter, and you need 2 coins from those 6, and so the number of ways of getting a quarter and 2 other coins is just going to be 6 choose 2, which turns out to be 15. And so there are 15 ways of having a quarter. And then you have to go through and look about what other ways can I get 25 cents or more. And the only other way you can get 25 cents or more are taking the 2 dimes and 1 nickel. But you have 3 nickels. You have to take both dimes. And so there's only 3 ways to get 2 dimes and 1 nickel. And so there are 18 ways, 15 plus 3, that you can get 25 cents or more. 15 of them use a quarter, and then there are 3 ways that use 2 dimes and a nickel. So 18 are greater than 25 or greater. That means that 17, 35 minus 18 are 25 cents, are less than 25 cents. So the answer just is 17 over 35. It's a great example of using complementary counting in an easy way. You could do it in a straightforward way, which would be to just calculate each type of way that you can do it, which would be 1 penny and 2 nickels, 1 penny and 2 dimes, 1 penny, 1 nickel, 1 dime, and so on and so forth. And you can count all those straightforward, but I think it's easier to do it in this complementary way.